Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn some more useful string methods in Python. First, let's start and learn from the title method. The title method converts the first letter of every word into uppercase. Example text equals to Python programming. Print print text dot title gives the output like P as a capital in Python programming, and it gives both capital letters for the P in Python and programming. Next, capitalize. It converts only first letter of the entire string into uppercase. Text equals to Python. Python, which is present in lowercase, and after capitalizing it, the P will become uppercase and remaining all will remain in lowercase. Now let's learn about swap case. This method changes uppercase letters into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. Text equals to Python. We can see the example like P capital and Y small, T capital, H small, O capital and N small. So this swap case will change all lowercase letters into uppercase and all uppercase letters into lowercase. You can see the output. You will get an idea by seeing it. After that, you can see find method. This helps to find a position of a character of a word or a word, like text equals to Python, which it has an example in the slide one, you can see, and the output will become like 2 because the letter T is at index position 2. We can use like we discussed in indexing method, so it uses to find the correct index position. Finally, count how many times a character appears in a string or a sentence. Text equals to apple text dot count p, which gives the output as 2. So remember, these methods help modify and analyze strings easily. And slide 2 tells like checking and formatting strings methods. First is starts with, it checks whether a string starts with a specific character or a word. So we can see an example beside that. So the output will become true. Next is ends with. This checks the string ends with a specific value. So as per the given example, the output will become true. Now let's learn about split. This split is a string input strings. It splits a strings into multiple parts. Text equals to apple, mango and banana as per the example. The output will become apple, comma, mango, comma and banana. And we have join next to the split. So the words which are separated by commas or separated by any other dots or anything will be combinedly given into a sentence. You can see I love Python, which is separated with the commas, which is given as I love Python in a one sentence. And we have another lot of methods, is alpha, is digit and is all num. Finally, length helps to find the length of a string. So we can see an example for len also. A quick recapping is string methods helps in formatting text, checking values, splitting words, joining strings and processing user inputs. So today you have learned many powerful Python strings methods used in real world programs. So search for it and keep practicing. If you practice more, you will understand more methods easily and deeply. So you can do any coding, any type of coding very fast. So happy coding.